many self-help books that suggest ways to discover the purpose of my life with great recommendations and success, like consider your dreams, clarify your values, set some goals, figure out what you are good at, aim high, go for it, be disciplined, believe you can achieve your goals, involve others, never give up. You can usually succeed in reaching a goal if you put your mind to it. But being successful and fulfilling your life's purpose are not at all the same issue. You could reach all your personal goals becoming a raving success by the world's standard and still miss the purposes for which God created you. You need more than self-help advice. The Bible says self-help is no help at all. Self-sacrifice is the way, my way, to finding yourself, your true self.